Today we have this 1952 Underwood Leader vintage portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Very basic and simple model here. It's got these paper finger holders that you can adjust from side to side, and they hold the paper down on the platen. Platen is your main roller here. These are your margins in the back. Move them by pushing them in and setting them. I'm going to put them at the beginning and the end of the page. And this is your carriage release on the top right. When you get to the end, you hear that bell. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit this line space, get you back to the beginning. It skips 1 or 2. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, there's a little switch underneath the knob here. If you flip it up towards the front, you'll be on single. If you flip it toward the back, it's double. We're gonna put it on single. And as you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence on the next line. I really like this model. It's very simple and reliable. When you type on it, it just feels really like there's not a lot of parts on this, so there's not a lot of problems that will go wrong. Just very simple and basic, which I like. I really like that. When you have a typewriter with so many functions, one thing goes wrong and the whole typewriter starts malfunctioning. So this is really simple. It doesn't jam up or anything. To pull the paper out easy, you just flip that switch forward and you can pull the paper out easy. It unlocks the rollers underneath the platen. You could also helps you load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock or multiple pages. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page, or else it won't load correctly. Got a shift on each side and a shift lock on the left side. To clear it, you just hit that shift button again. This is your backspace on the top left. Works great. We're gonna open the hood. All the brand new ribbon is loaded on the right side, so it's pulling to the left. And if you want to change that direction, you just flip that switch here on the right side to the front, and it'll start pulling to the left. Well, that's where we want it. If you push it to the back, it'll start pulling to the right. We're going to keep it pulling to the left for now. And I think that's it for this. Is very, very basic. There's a switch up top here that will disable the spaces. If you flip it back, you hear those clicks. Each one of those clicks is 1 space. If you flip it forward, you can get the exact spot you need on the page, so you don't have to deal with perfect spaces. And that's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.